So I had an odd one here. Came and turned the lights on, nothing turns on. It's on the hall lights here. Turn the lights on, off, nothing turned on. Check the breakers here, everything's fine there. Replace the lights, put brand new hall lights in. Turn the light switch, nothing turned on. Then I came in the kitchen, turned the lights on, came back, flipped this switch down, then came over here, flipped this switch up, and the lights are working. Okay, so what's going on there? Well, what it is these are three-way switches, and these are special switches. And most likely what happened is either this switch here or this switch here, someone has not put a three-way switch in. And let's see if we can determine which one it is. Turn this one out, turn this one on, and now the switch won't switch at all. Turn this one out, turn this one on, both switches will work, and both switches will work. Okay. Now the tricky one is, which one's the three-way switch? Anyway, I'll know once I take them apart. That'll be the easiest way, is to pull it apart, and one of them's not a three-way switch, change it out with a three-way switch. Things will be back in business, but it probably is a kind of an easy way to figure out which one is the three-way switch and which one is not. I'm guessing this one is the three-way switch, and that this one is not. The other way to kind of tell would be to look for which one's newer, but even that's not easy. Anyway, they do work, but there's going to be times where it's flipped the wrong way and someone can't figure out why the lights don't work. So just kind of an odd problem, but they both need a three-way switch. You need two three-way switches, one on each side. I thought you might be interested to see that.